What's up, YouTube? This is a video on a solder smoke extractor. I'm using it hooked to a wall wart AC adapter. I just tied it in positive to negative. I actually turned the fan around in this box here because it was actually going the wrong way. I wanted to set it up like this so it would go in and then up, away from me as I was soldering. So I turned the fan around in there. It was easy, just two little clips on the inside. There you go, there's two clips holding it in. Sorry, it's a little dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it yet. Anyways, then I put a toggle switch, on-off toggle switch up here. I didn't really have the wires too well. Let's move this thing here. Let's see if I can get this thing to work for you here. There you go. Works pretty good. And it works at a fairly good distance away too. Anyways, you guys get the whole idea here. And of course, my on-off switch on the side. I already mentioned that, I believe. And this is a 12 volt 0.85 amp. Actually, it does pretty good. Anyways, I'm maybe making a bunch of these. I like these things. I don't have one in my shop. I mean, one inside, but I have one in my shop. This is the one for the shop. Anyways, questions and comments are welcome. Please leave me some feedback. Thank you guys for watching.